What's up, guys? This is my second video, vlog 2. So it's early in the morning. I'm going dirt biking today. It's gonna be fun. It's a beautiful day out. See? It's like perfect. Alright, let's go see. I'm gonna go check the temperature. See what it is. Yeah. Oh, it's only 65, but that'll work. I'm just going dirt biking today. If you saw my last video, you saw my dirt bike. It takes a long time. Yeah, there's Katrina. She's playing with a mermaid or something. We're gonna leave pretty soon, but 9, it's like 7, no 8 now. And yeah, I just woke up like an hour ago. So yeah. Actually, no, 2 hours ago. And yeah, so I'm gonna be dirt biking today. And yeah, but and then I think I'm gonna come home and then vlog some more. So yeah, stay tuned so you can see my other video, or might cut some and paste them together. I don't know, just like stick them together. So my editing system isn't that good because all I use is just this app on my phone that I'm using right now, and I just take a video and then I edit it with that, and then I post it. So it works pretty good. I think I'm gonna do this one unedited, but yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna leave pretty soon, eat breakfast and all that, and then we're gonna go. I'll probably vlog on the way there. So yeah, my hair is super messy. It's just gonna get more messy when we go dirt bike. Just go like this, poof it up. But yeah, okay, bye.